Hi everyone, in this video I am going to be sharing with you the unboxing of my spring Fabfitfun box. It's here. This arrived Friday, so I've had it a couple of days, and as I've shared previous ones, I wanted to unbox this one on camera and share it with you. Like literally hundreds of thousands of other people. I upgraded my membership from whatever the regular membership is to the select membership, which is where you buy a year's worth of boxes, but it gives you more customization sooner, so you kind of get first dibs on the stuff that you can choose. So I know what some of the things in here are because I chose them, and then they put some other stuff in that you don't know what it is. So you get a magazine and bunch of crap that's just going to go straight in the recycling. And then, oh, that's exciting! This is the only subscription box I still have. I used to have, like over time I've had them all, but they're just not doing it for me anymore, and so I decided that I'd rather spend a bit more on a really good one than every month spending a little bit on ones that I end up thinking are crap. So this one is good. It isn't cheap, it's more expensive, but it's quarterly and you always get way more than the value of, you know, that you pay with stuff inside. And also I find that it's just less kind of crappy brands that they're just kind of trying to crowbar in. And you get some choices as well, which is really nice. So I don't know where to start. Let's start with this because it's shiny. So this was one of the things that I chose. This is the Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. It is a rose gold hairbrush, which was one, I don't know what, I at this point don't remember what the other options were that I chose this out of, but it's a paddle brush. It's got that good squishy bendy consistency, so you know that it isn't going to rip chunks of your hair out. It's rose gold, like it'll get used for sure. Next thing, another thing that I chose, this is the thing, there are two things in this box that I chose that I'm really excited about. This is one, and then I'll get to the other one in a minute. Yes! This is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. So if you've heard of like gravity blankets, this is like that but for your eyes. So it's full of beads, and it's pretty heavy, and yeah, it goes over your eyes. I'm so excited for this. I've wanted one of these for a while, and I've had the ones that are just like a pillow, like a rectangular pillow that you put over, but I often find that they just fall off. Whereas this has the strap at the back, which is adjustable. Oh, and it's elasticated as well, so it will definitely fit around your head, however ridiculously large your melon is. And it's weighted and just super nice, so I'm so excited about that. And that was one of the things that I chose. Another thing that I chose that I'm very excited about is this is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment Tool, I guess you'd call it. Yeah, Glow Wrinkle Treatment by Revive Light Therapy. So this is an LED tool. Comes with batteries, which is nice. And it's... Do I have any idea how you use it or how it works? But... So it says here, this is a light emitting... an LED device that emits energy for use in dermatology for the treatment of fine lines, wrinkles, and other effects of aging skin. I have that. The device delivers natural light energy in the infrared, deep red, red, and amber spectrums that are proven to reduce and/or reverse fine lines and wrinkles, enhance the skin tone and texture, and create a more youthful appearance. There are no user settings or adjustments. So I was excited because I like a gadget. So you can just see there where the lights are. I'm assuming you just move it over, but I don't know. I will read the instructions and try, and if it's good, I'll report back. My problem with so much of this kind of stuff is my consistency is terrible. So I use all sorts of stuff that I really like, that maybe if I used it every day all the time, it would show really great results, but I'm inconsistent. So let's grab this big thing that I also chose. I'm excited about this. I don't really travel that often, but what I chose, I forget what, again, what I should probably do with these is I should write down what my options were. But I have here, I've taken the sleeve off. This is the Calpac packing cubes, and this is a set of 3, a small, a medium and a large, like that. So if you don't know what a packing cube is, just in case you don't, essentially what it is they're bags like this, and what you do is when you're packing, you put your stuff inside these bags, and it sort of is space saving and more efficient than just lobbing it all in. And so this was a set of 3. That's huge. That's like a foot wide. So there's like a big guy and a medium size and a small one. So I'm excited about those because I like things to be organised on the rare occasions that I travel. So I'm happy. This now brings me to, I don't think I chose any of these things. I can't be totally sure. So I have 4 more things. I have, this is the Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. I might have chosen this. Can't remember. But this is old school. This has been around forever and ever and ever. I believe it's the same formula as the Urban Decay one, which I really like. So it's a setting spray. I don't know, like I can't really say a lot more than that. Is what it is. I have a Chic and Tonic silicone straws. That are, oh cute. What is that? Oh, what is that? Plastic, oh, so I guess they fold. Okay, so in that box, 4 straws, a little cleaning brush, and then this case, which I assume means, let's try it, shall we? I guess they must fold. Oh yeah, look at that. They fold, and then I guess you can put them in your travel case. I'm not really sure how I feel about drinking from a silicone straw. I have some stainless steel ones somewhere, and I often look at the glass ones, but I just feel like that is a pure disaster waiting to happen for me. So it's kind of cool to have. Will definitely be better than the cardboard ones that McDonald's now have, because that drives me nuts because they just get soggy and then you can't finish your drink. It's annoying. Or not finish it through the straw. Okay, so I have 2 things left. I'm excited about both of these. These are awesome. So this is the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better brights and nighter mornings. Beth, let's try that again. A multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better nights and brighter mornings. So this is hand and body lotion in the, it gets completely washed out, doesn't it? There we go, you can see it now. So I really like the This Works range, and I've had things from their deep sleep range before. I'm sure I have a candle somewhere, and there's definitely some other stuff in my stash. Like it falls into the same category for me as the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Bath Oil, which I love. This smells very much the same. Let's see, consistency is, oh, it's good. It's not too runny, but it's also not too thick. Oh, it smells good. It's got that, you know, that like lavendery, it's probably not lavender, I'm going to guess it's like vetiver or something. Oh, it's both. Essential oils of lavender, vetiver and chamomile. Lovely. Lovely, and that was a nice surprise because I didn't choose that. And then the last thing, and I'm excited about this too, this is the Purelisse Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. Gently resurfaces, skin smoothing, boosts radiance. So in another box, I don't know what kind of box, but in another box, in another life, at another time, I got something from this range, which happens to be right here because I used it before I put my makeup on earlier, and this is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, which is like a super light like gel moisturiser, which I flippin' love. This is so nice. And this is in that same line. So I can get into the box without breaking a nail. I am excited about this. Oh my god, it's so cute. Shiny pink. Oh, it's sealed and I'm not going to unseal it, but it feels like a scrubby scrub, like I can feel like there's grains in it. It says here, smooth over cleansed wet face, let sit for 2 minutes, rinse with water and pat dry. Great for everyday use. I probably wouldn't use it every day if it's a physical exfoliant, but I am excited to have it because I really enjoy the other products. I've had this and I've also had some sheet masks in the same range, so I love those. And so that is my spring Fabfitfun unboxing. I'm really happy with that. It ends up being about £50 I think with shipping and all of that, but I love them. They're great. You get such good stuff compared to the cheaper boxes, which you'd expect. You're paying more, and you get the choice, and it's a good thing. Yeah, let me know. Do you get this? Are there any boxes that you get that you would recommend? I'm always like, I love the idea of a subscription box because I love the idea of getting like a surprise every month, but so far everything has just gone a bit for me, and I've sort of fallen out of love with, you know, Glossybox, Birchbox, all that kind of thing. So if you have one that is not Glossybox or Birchbox and you particularly recommend it, leave me a comment, let me know. I would love to hear from you. That's all for this video. I'm going to go and put all of this stuff away because it is insanity around me now. I've got stuff everywhere, so I'm going to go and do a bit of a clean up, and then as I film this, it is Sunday and it is 11:22 AM, so I'm going to just go and settle myself down to chill out for the rest of the day. So I hope you have a fantastic day, week, weekend, whatever, wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.